In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make your own texture pack here in Minecraft. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you're going to want to do is close out of Minecraft in the Minecraft launcher and get the default Minecraft textures. Essentially, open up a Google Chrome browser or really any web browser and go specifically to texturepacks.com, and from here you could search for resource pack slash default pack. And this is going to take you to a page that looks like this. Once you get on this page right here, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is select this little download links option. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Find this tab for Java Edition that says download default texture pack for the latest version of Minecraft. Select it and it's going to redirect you and immediately start downloading this. What I would recommend doing with this zip file is just go ahead and once it finishes downloading, just drag that onto your desktop and then you can close out of this. And what I would recommend doing is just right clicking on this and then hitting extract all and then just selecting extract. And once it does extract, you're going to see the folder, just open it up. And now we're going to start customizing this pack. So essentially what you're looking for in here is this option that says pack.png. It should look something like this for you. This is going to be the icon for your texture pack. You can replace this with any image that you want. Just make sure that it is named pack.png. So for example, I could go ahead and put this in here, which is an unnamed JPEG file. Obviously convert it to a PNG first, and then just name it pack.png and hit enter. Once again, make sure it is a PNG file, not this JPEG one though. What you're going to want to do next is find the pack.mc meta file right here. Go ahead and right click on this and then select open with, and then go ahead and find notepad and hit always. This is going to bring up a page that looks like this. Inside the file, you're going to want to edit the description text to whatever you want your texture pack to say. Whenever you're done, make sure that you hit file and then save. Now to edit the textures themselves, what you're going to want to do is actually open up this assets folder right here. And once you're in the assets folder, open up Minecraft and then go specifically to textures and open that up. All the textures are going to be PNG files. For example, if you open up the block file, you'll see this is every single PNG file for every single block. It's actually pretty interesting how it works. Edit the texture however you would like, and you could do this within Photoshop. You can do it within Paint. It doesn't necessarily matter. Just choose whatever texture you want. For example, you could do, your standard Acacia log, right? Just right click on it and then hit open with, and then open it with something like Paint or Photoshop or Illustrator, for example. Just make sure when you're done, you hit save, and it's going to automatically save it to this exact same area, and it's going to be changed. Once you have everything changed the way you want, and this may take quite a bit of time, go ahead and close out of this and open up the Minecraft launcher for you. Go to the installations tab up at the very top and find Minecraft on here. Go ahead and select open installations folder and then scroll down on this page until you see the specific tab for resource packs and open it up. And then just bring in the folder that we just customized by just dragging it in here. Now, if it's not working for you, right click on this and go ahead and convert it to a zip file again by hitting compress to zip file. And then once you do that, just drag that in and you'll be good to go. But that is it. You can load into the game, go to options, resource packs, and enable it from here. And once you do that, you'll see your custom textures in game. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.